This is the oil filter that goes on. Japanparts, you can buy these anywhere. And here I've got some oil, 15W40 for diesel. So the oil filter is here, easy to reach. Hopefully the alternator modification doesn't get too much in the way. Then the sump plug is right here next to the valve cover breather pipe. So you don't have to lift up the tractor to get to it. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, I got the tray underneath. I'll just open the oil filler. It helps it flow a bit better. Just so you can see the dipstick. The oil is a bit dirty. It should be all a bit more golden. With these tractors I've noticed that the oil stays pretty clean, and when it gets, for about a year, when it gets dirty, I usually just like to change them. As though with a diesel car, as soon as you start it up, the oil turns black, just a little bit different. So a sump plug, size 19. You can see it's a bit black. I don't really get 100 hours use with the tractor every year, so I just do same with the car, once a year the service. It should be loose enough to turn off. Here. Clean up the surface. I'll use just a bit of the old oil to lubricate the seal. Just a bit. And tight. There we go. Now this is a very handy tool to have to remove the oil filters. It grips it, as long as you've got space, of course. Put the bolt back in and just tighten. Wait, that should do. Now to fill it with oil. Okay, now it's starting to show on the dipstick. Just needs a bit more. We're getting there. Alright, now it's at the right level. So that job is done. Close the lid. Since I leaked a bit of oil, it might be a bit smoky here once it gets warm, but it will just be some oil burning off. Just get some brake clean, just clean the sump plug off, so that if it leaks, you can see it clearly. So how much oil did it take? Well, let's see.